Hello there. In this video, I will give you a quick walkthrough on how to add new emails in Airmeet. Let's get started. Go to your event dashboard and click on emails. And from here, you can find new email button out here. You can create 20 new emails from this section. Click on it. And this is how it looks like right now. You can edit your email from here. You can add your campaign name. And coming down, you can select the recipients by clicking on the placeholder and select the type of recipients that you want to add. If you have added any segment in the analytics, then you can find those segments as well. I will select registrants, that is attendees. You can also select more than one recipients. Now coming down, you can also re-edit the sender name and then you can add the subject line. And once you have added your subject, you can also add merge tags. To do so, simply click on this tag icon out here and select the type of tag that you want to use. Let's select event name and there our tag has come up. In your real email, the tag will not look like this. It will show the real-time event name. You can also use the emojis. Now coming down, you can add the reply to address. Since this email is no reply email, and if the attendees reply back to you, then those reply will be sent to the email inbox of this email address. Now you can also set up the delivery time of the email, that is now, or you can customize the time by clicking on custom time. You can select the date by clicking on this section. Once done, select the time as well. And once you're happy with these settings, you can click on next. And here we are on the content section. In the content section, you have various templates that you can use inside the email. First is the columns. If you want to add columns, simply drag and drop it wherever you want to add it. And from here, you can also select the type of columns that you want to use. Let's select this. And below here, you can also find the column properties, which you can edit as per your requirement. You can also change or update the colors or upload the image. And once your image is uploaded, this is how it will look like on the screen. You can also find the image specifications out here. If you want to add effects to your image, then you can click on apply effects and do so. And if you scroll down, you will find more settings. And last is the responsive design. If you want to enable it on the desktop, then you can toggle this button on. Or if you want to keep it disabled, then you can toggle this off. Now, if you scroll up, this is the email view that you see on the desktop. If you want to view the same on the mobile phones, click on mobile and view how the email will look on your phone. You can add more components or templates to this email and edit them as per your requirement. Or you can also edit the already given components by clicking on it and selecting the properties. You can upload your own image or you can also click on more images to find the stock photos. And from here itself, you can also edit the image settings such as widening it or making it shorter. And if you scroll down, you can find more properties of the images that you can edit. If you want to delete this content or component, then you can click on this delete button. If you want to duplicate it, then you can click on the duplicate icon, or if you want to close it, then you can click on this cross icon. Now let us understand how to edit the text. For example, in this salutation, if you want to re-edit this, then you can click on it and re-edit the text. And if you want to change the tag, then you can simply delete the old tag and click on merge tag and select the type of tag that you want to add. Let's say full name, and there it is. You can also use these components to edit your text as per your requirement. If you want to re-change the text, then you can select them and rewrite them. Or if you want to delete this text box, then you can simply click on this bin icon to delete it or click on this duplicate icon to duplicate it. Same with all other text. Now coming down, we have a default button. To edit it, simply click on it and its properties will open. And from here, you can change the URL merge tag. You can also select the target, that is if you want the button destination to open in a new tab or in the same tab. If you want to add special links, then you can click on special links and select the type of special links that you want to add. And below, you can also select the color options of the button. You can also scroll to find other properties of the button such as spacing and padding and edit them as per your requirement. And once done, cross this out and there your button is ready. If you want to add a new button, you can simply drag and drop it wherever you want to add it. Same with all other components, you can drag and drop them and re-add them as per your requirement for your email. Now coming down, you can also view the social media icons. If you want to edit them, simply click on it. And from here, you can change the logo of the social media account. If you are using different type of social media account, you can simply drag and drop the image out here, or you can also click on this placeholder to upload the logo. And scrolling down, you will also find all the properties of the button such as URL, target, special links, and you can edit them as per your requirement. You can follow the same procedure for these two icons as well. Or if you want to delete or duplicate them, you can click on this buttons out here. Once you are done editing the content of your email, there are other sections of this email as well. First one is the blogs. If you want to add more blocks to your email, then you can add them from here. Clicking on body, you can find all the email body properties out here, such as color, width, alignment, etc. You can edit them from here. Coming on to images, inside this section, you will find all the stock images. If you want to use them, you can simply drag and drop the images on your email. Now coming to uploads, in this section, you can upload your own image, and whatever you have uploaded earlier inside this event, you will find those images out here. And if you want to reuse them, then you can simply select the image, drag and drop it inside the email settings. The last one is the audit section. In this section, you can audit your email contents. If there are anything missing or mismatched, then those things will be shown out here. You can always click on it and re-edit the email as per the need. Once you're done with this, you can click on next. And from here, you can review your email, you can review your contents, and you can also click on the send test mail button. Add your email address and click on send test to find the test email on your inbox for you to preview how your attendees will view your email. And if you're not happy with any of the settings, then you can always click on previous and go to the previous content section and edit the details, or come back to this part and either save this email as a draft or click on confirm to confirm it. You can click on yes schedule to double confirm it, and there your email is successfully added. And since the email that we just created was the invitation email, you will find them under the invitation tag. You can preview your email by clicking on this eye icon. You can re-edit it by clicking on this pencil icon, or you can also click on this three dot icon and pause delivery, which will pause all the email delivery. Or you can also click on reset to default to reset your email to the default Airmeet template. If your edited email was left as a draft, then you would be able to discard the draft email as well. This action is inactive because we have not kept this email as a draft. And if you come to the top, you can also find the email filters. The first one is the all filters, which is selected by default, in which you can find all the emails. The second one is the active, in which you find all the active emails. Third one is the delivered email. If any of your email has been delivered, then those email will be sent out here. And the last one is the pause email. As we saw, by clicking on this three dot icon, we can pause the delivery. And if we had paused the delivery of the email, then those paused email will be shown in this section. And now you can create more fresh emails by clicking on this new email button. And this section will also show how many emails you can create out of 20 emails. That's all for today. Hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.